Now, plenty of other New Mexicans feel the exact opposite. Action 7 News anchor Natalie Swaby talked to death penalty supporters who say the governor's decision makes New Mexico a much more dangerous place.
Right, dangerous for law enforcement, especially according to Sheriff Darren White. He calls it pro-criminal legislation and says it's quite disturbing for the entire law enforcement community.
I see this whole legislative session as the year of the criminal.
The state of New Mexico just became a more dangerous place to live.
New Mexico's law enforcement leaders are outraged. They say Governor Richardson's Wednesday evening decision to repeal the death penalty will be bad for New Mexico.
I shudder to think what it's going to be like out there for those brave men and women who've relied on this law to help keep them safe.
Their lives are not as safe as they were yesterday.
And for that, the sheriff offered sharp words.
We have a lot of Democrat politicians who talk real tough while they're running for office. And then when they're in office and maybe not running for president, we get a different result.
They don't know what they've done.
That was the reaction from Rita and Jim McCrane this weekend. When they spoke with us, they were anxiously waiting to see what the governor would do, especially because their son, Deputy James McCrane, was killed in the line of duty. They wanted the death penalty to stay, saying it provides more protection for law enforcement.
When a felon or convicted convict has an opportunity to kill an officer, they always have to think about the death penalty. It's in the back of their mind.
Now the sheriff says that security is gone.
The criminals did real well this year. Law enforcement and I think the safety of the citizens didn't fare very well.
As for the suspect in the murder of Deputy McCrane, Michael Astorga, we talked to DA Carrie Brandenburg tonight, who said she still plans to seek the death penalty against him, and she won't change that decision before meeting with the McCrane family and making sure they want that to happen. Back to you.